This is Baja, California. It is not kind on tires, or anything really. So why would a commercial truck tire brand come here year after year? Because we can. Because here, we work hard and play hard in some of the toughest terrain on earth. BF Goodrich racing teams have dominated Baja Desert racing for decades. And guess how our race support teams actually get to the races? On BF Goodrich commercial truck tires. BF Goodrich has a long history of proven tire performance. We've dominated the track, the street, highway, job site, and all roads in between for more than 120 years. Why did you get into the trucking industry? You live for tough. You thrive in beating deadlines, fighting the competition, and getting the job done no matter what. Same here. BF Goodrich commercial truck tires are known for durability and traction for a reason. It's part of our heritage. Every tire is designed to provide max uptime and keep your business rolling for every commercial application. You can expect downtime fighting durability, traction you can trust, and guaranteed dependability. So, if you work hard, and you drive hard, and you even play hard like we do, choose first-in-class performance. Choose BF Goodrich Tires. Work hard, play hard, repeat.